Hmm. Isn't that something? All right. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. What's good, my guy?
What it do? What it do?
Let's go ahead and type in the chat. Good evening. Welcome. I'm gonna give it a second. You know, they got to do the little notification, let people get up on, and then we're gonna get this show on and popping. Get it on and cracking. Where is I keep looking down. Okay, nah, that's your screen. I'm like, where is Dre at? Okay. All right. I now see that it has kicked out the notification. So we live. So people will probably about to start rolling in. With that being said, man, let's go ahead and get this show rocking. So everybody, welcome to Late Night Leverage, live futures trading, market discussion, all that good stuff. I'm your co-host Zay. Got my boy Quadree with me, and our other co-host Drez will probably be here in any minute. We're just waiting on him to log in. But what's good, man? How is everybody doing? How you doing, brother? How was your day, man?
My day was cool. I mean, energy. But as far as trading on the future side, trading rate was down. So that prevented me
What
from taking.
happened?
Like this was the same thing they did last week. They was having maintenance issues. So
Wow.
really,
So it don't matter what platform you
not
like, if you was through
oh,
Apex or
yeah, it didn't matter. Ninja
uh
trading rate was down.
okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay. So it didn't matter whether you with like Apex, because I think you with My Funded Future, right?
yeah. And they use trading rate too. I use trading rate for all my accounts.
For all of them. Okay. So it don't so no matter the the prop firm you with, if you was through Trader Bait, you had an issue.
Yep. It was funny because you remember Project X was the one that was having the problem. Top Step. Now,
Yeah. I mean, they just rotate. That's all. They just rotate. But you were able to get in though, right? You was able
and yeah,
to.
I made a little trade,
Okay.
little
Okay.
130, because I was like, you know what? Let me not press my luck.
Right. What was the trade?
Shorts on the NQ.
Short NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me pull your screen up. I got you. There you go. Who we got in
Literally,
the comments, man? Who we got in the chat? Drop a comment, chat.
literally, this was the trade. It was after 10. So I took this short.
Okay.
And these, today's price range was crazy too. Like,
I mean,
literally, my risk was crazy. It was 93. And I just took profit right there. Yeah, I had a little ass trade. Like,
oh,
I,
that was it.
yeah, I'm like, bro, you know what? I just wasn't feeling it, bro. Like, because one, it was like a bad sign when the market trade me wasn't letting me trade.
Yep.
And I was like, you know what? Let me just not push the issue.
Now I feel you, man. Man, I had to battle, bro. Let me tell y'all, I had to battle. So yeah, I mean, good day in the market overall, right? As far as just energy, like Quadri said, that's what we've been on. So shout out to Chevron, COP, XOM, XLE. So yeah, energy holding it down. However, man, futures, bruh, I had to battle. So after we got off, I tried to go short, and the market just kept going up, bruh. And so I found myself down overnight, and I was getting frustrated. And I was like, man, f this, man. Um, and so I was like, let me just go to sleep, let me relax, and I'll come back with like a fresh set of eyes, right? So woke up as I normally do for the London, and I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour real quick because y'all, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I was down like 1,400 last night. I was down. They had me down out for the count, y'all. Um, so where was yesterday night? Yeah. So we kind of chopped right here, right? Last night. This is when we was on the show. We didn't really do much. And so then once we got off, I saw this candle here, right? I saw this hourly. I'm like, I bet we finna go ahead and crack this open and slide down. So I took a short, and as you can see, they ran all the way up to right here. And once they like went ahead and took this high, that's when I was like, all right, I'm out. So then I was like, F this. I came back London, and right at 3 o'clock, I caught this entire candle right here. Boom, 12 points. That brought me back alive. Then I got this candle right here. I think that made my day manageable. From that point, I think I was down like 250. So then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just wait for the open, because one thing I realized about myself, yo, is that I cannot trade that 6 o'clock to like 9:45 time frame. Like I always get chopped up, or I just be getting messed up. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait for the opening, and I'm glad I did, because I let the open do what it do. This candle did whatever, and then 11 o'clock, boom, I caught another short, and that brought me positive for the day. And then after that, I was like, you know what? I'm done for the day. I'm gonna just focus on managing my positions and stuff like that. And I'm glad, again, I'm glad I finished. I stopped myself, because if you look at the afternoon, we freaking rallied back up.
Yes, sir.
I would have been trying to pressure the shorts. And I was like, yo, sell this bitch down. So I'm so glad I chilled out. And yeah, I ended the great day green as far as futures go. So that was great. And yeah, that was my day, man. You know, that was my day. So had to battle back, but it is what it is. So we got King Rel in the building. What's good, man? We got my boy Jay in the building. What up, Jay? I saw he tweeted earlier. He must have killed the I know he killed SPX based on the tweet I saw. So yeah, let me. All right, Dre just texted us. Oh, I didn't know she worked both nights. Okay. And so yeah, man, that was our trading day. As far as the market performance, we'll give y'all a quick little rundown. You know, it's weird, right? It's definitely weird, because you'll see here the ES was down. It was basically flat, yo. Now, mind you, that's because I think there was like a run up after the close. Right, there was a run up, because if you really look at like the SPY or something like that, let me go to SPY. I'm gonna do it that way, right? Because you can see the SPY was actually down 0.5%, negative 0.48. The triple Qs was down 1.75. That is the spot that is just, yeah, man. We gonna have to talk about that, because y'all NQ is just not, that thing is lagging. And then you had the Dow was positive by 0.5%. Didn't realize that. And then you had the Russell was down 0.86%. So a bit of a mixed day. And that's what I was about to say, was like, yo, this market is very bifurcated. Like there's areas that are doing well, and then it's definitely, you know, tech is getting hit. So that rotation trade that they've been talking about all this year, it's still going on, because when you look up under the hood, like tech was getting cracked upside the head. You had semis pulled back. Software is basically in a bear market.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You had Apple was popping, right? Apple was popping. You had Microsoft though kind of like going down, so that offset it. You had Meta going down. Google kind of just did whatever. And now that we talk about Google, they did report earnings after the bell today, and I think they are doing okay. Yeah, it's down 1%. Yep. So it did dip a little bit further, but they bought it back up, and it did go positive for a second. So I think they're just going to hold it here, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow. So shout out to the premium sellers, because they clap both sides, calls and puts. IB crush. So that was Google. What else, bro? What else am I missing? You're on mute.
I think you covered it all. Like tomorrow's the day that me and you've been waiting for. You know what I'm saying? See what MSI do. You know what I mean?
So why we tell the people why we waiting for tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
When we got in the morning, we got COP.
Oh yeah.
We got
But we
copper.
didn't tell people about that though.
Yeah,
But
you know, me ain't the runners. We got that. But
yeah,
now,
see,
the main thing, and we talked about it a little bit yesterday, just like all the research that we've done on Amazon, and then on top of that, the you know, shout outs to Zay
yeah,
been waiting to get in that bad boy too. I got in. I got in
yes,
a
I
little.
have.
I got in a little early. I got in on Monday. You know, I got to execute. When I have to trigger. He waited a little
Yeah.
longer. He might get that $10 discount. I think I got it at 243. Look, I've been in the plays though. I've been in the play though, but
Yeah.
I've been shares though.
But I think you still, but you was you flat on it, right?
Not flat on it, yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, I'm watching like the Amazon Play I want to get in. I'm watching the premiums. It ain't really did much. Like it's been in the same little area. Like it ain't even when Amazon been drawn down, the premium ain't really went but so low. When it goes up, it ain't go but so high. So it's like, all right, it ain't really running away from me. My hope was, or my plan was, I really just wanted to get past Google. Like I wanted to see what Google did, because usually what Google do, you know, if it pops, then you'll see Amazon get a pop. If it drops, you'll see sometimes you see Amazon like dip down. So I really just wanted to wait till we got past Google before we go into Amazon. So I'll pull up Amazon real quick, and really I'm waiting for 7:30 for us to take a trade.
I'm long
So
going.
that's why we kind of just talking about, you know, are you gonna
I'm
go? Okay, I'll go to your screen in a second. So check it. This Amazon, y'all, right? This is Amazon, and you know, like we talked about yesterday, right? You know, Google was up like 100 and some odd % off of the April lows. Ali said, "Shh, you can't give away all the gems, right?" But Amazon, right? I'm waiting on this one. It's at a really good spot. Yeah, man. And I just, you know, regardless, here's my thing, right? I've been telling everybody this, right? Is that even if Amazon, or this is what me and Quadree was telling each other, and was what we was talking about. Tomorrow really don't matter. It matter, but it don't matter. So let me tell y'all why it matter and why it don't matter. Tomorrow, right? Let's start with why it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because one day isn't going to make or break Amazon, right? One day does not negate all of the things we know that Amazon has going forward. Titanium chips, AWS growth,
Yes.
you know, potentially reaching that 3 trillion market cap by the end of the year. I'm gonna stand on that. I really believe that by the end of the year, Amazon will reach the 3 trillion market cap, which will put the price at 281. What else am I missing, bro? Their investment in Anthropic, like that dude. I wish that video, like, just go ahead. My bad. What?
No, I was saying, yeah, Anthropic, the main one, boy.
You know what I mean? You got Anthropic, right? So I'm just like, yo, okay, tomorrow it might, you know, it could get a pop. Cool. It might dip a little bit. All right, it doesn't matter, right? Because it doesn't make or break. Like one day ain't gonna make or break me. Because at the end of the day, the position that I'm gonna get, I'm gonna have time. So it's not like I needed to make a big move tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
However, I just think that tomorrow's expectations, you know, and so this is why it does matter, right? So I gave you why it didn't matter, because again, I'm going long and I got time. If it comes down, I can always add to it. If it pops, great, right?
Yep.
And you know, I think it doesn't, so that's why it doesn't matter. It does matter because, right, there is I won't say high expectations, but there is an expectation on the street that we're supposed to hear pretty good things from Amazon this quarter, and the fact that we might see a reacceleration in AWS and da 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 da. So there is a little bit of an expectation going into this one, right? And so that's what kind of heightens the or puts the spotlight on this earnings call. So we got to see if they can deliver, right?
Yep.
Can they really deliver? Again, in the long run, I think they will deliver. Right now is one of those things of, as you can see, the market is really in a show me state because names is getting clobbered out here, bruh. So you really got to prove you making money with AI or you doing something substantial in order to be rewarded. And so, you know, that kind of, you know, puts some of the onus on Amazon. I think the other thing we talked about too is that Amazon was probably the biggest laggard.
Yep.
of the Mag 7 last year. Once again, that's another reason why I actually like it, is because it's got a pretty cheap valuation compared to others.
Yep.
And so we'll see, but this is, like I was me and Quadree was talking about. So, coming into 2026, I usually get a runners, my top 5 picks for the year. Sometimes it don't even be 5. It just like this year it was mainly it was I say it was 2 and then it was a sector, right? So my main 2 was XOM, ExxonMobil, which is going nuts,
Yep.
and Amazon. Those was my top 2. And then the sector, I was just like energy. Like I like energy. So XLE, right? And within XLE, you could find a bunch of names that you might be able to find, right? So that was kind of like where I was at. And then I was like, after that, y'all, I just need to see how the year go. And as things progress, I'll start to find some names to add to that list, or just find some viable picks for the year. And I'm glad I did wait, because I mean, yo, the top 2 sectors right now, let me pull this up. The top 2 sectors is energy and materials.
Yes,
And
sir.
following in the third place is consumer staples.
Mm.
So the market is definitely rotating very defensive. And then you got industrials, right? So aerospace and defense is going crazy. Um, there's a few names I like in that area, but um So, yeah, man. I'm glad I waited, because as you can see, these are the areas that are popping. And but no, like I was saying, my top 2 names were ExxonMobil and Amazon. So, I want to, me and Quadree talked about this, which was that, I have to make sure I'm in my top 2 names, because last year my top 2 names were AMD and Robinhood, and y'all see what Robinhood and AMD did last year. They went crazy.
He
So
was said,
I'm like, yo, I can't make that mistake again, because I got out of Robinhood so early, and then next thing you know, it went crazy. I did get AMD though, so I won't too mad, but that's all I really needed last year. I could have just rolled those 2 trades all year. So I made myself a commitment this year. I'm like, yo, I'm sticking with my top 2 names, man. So and then yeah, so that's that, right? So that's that. So Amazon tomorrow. That's one of the reasons why we super excited. We got Amazon tomorrow after the bell, and we're gonna see what it do. And so Quadree, let's throw this out there too, because now this is what's gonna really make Amazon even more interesting, right? Now, usually I don't like to, and I'm not saying I'm playing Amazon earnings, but I like where it's at, and I don't want to, I feel like it's a good spot to get in at.
yep.
And they do have earnings. However, I don't like to play earnings before NFP Friday. And it just so happens that NFP got canceled this week.
Ooh, boy.
So that's like even further and more like, bro, you got to make this move, bro.
Yes,
Like you got to make this move. Even if it don't go up, you got to make this move, because it seems like they clearing the path for this thing to go ahead and do what they want to do. Because we gonna wake up the next morning, we ain't got to worry about no report and nothing. It's just gonna be a normal Friday,
exactly.
right? So if they're gonna push it, hey, this is the time to do it. So yeah, no NFP Friday. So really, the rest of this week, all we got to look forward to is Amazon earnings after the bell tomorrow, and then any type of geopolitical headline that comes from the Trump administration, right?
Mm-hmm.
This past week, they announced a deal with India. They supposed to be doing talks with Iran on Friday. He called President Xi. Hey, bro, every time the market is trying to go down, he gonna find a way to keep this market propped up, boy.
Because he is the way he doing their favors.
Yeah. So yeah, we gonna see, man. Let me take this down. I just wanted to show that I think Quadree is in the trade right now. So talk to us about your trade, bro. What you see in here?
I see on a 3-minute few things, bro. Hold on.
Oh, by the way, yeah, it is 7:30. So let me see if I can.
On a 15-minute, we got a fair value gap right here.
Oh, we pushing.
Which we came out. This is gold, by the way. But yeah, NQ pushing too. We have a fair value gap right here. Then we went into the fair value gap. Down to the 3-minute. Got to close. Was I looking at the 3-minute or 1-minute? Oh, in the 5-minute. We got to close above right here. for the CISD with protected close right here. So
Got it.
waiting for that.
Gotcha. Okay.
But then looking at NQ,
yeah, we gone.
Made a move too that I like too. They both moving the way I want them to move.
Yeah, we gone, man. Moving and grooving, shaking and baking. What was that? 8 or what's that? 7? 7:15 we made a move. Yeah. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna turn that off for a second. Okay, we have not fired long or short, so we still waiting. And then I'm gonna take this off for a second, and I want to show the good people something really quick. So this is what I'm looking at, y'all, for this evening. We got this weird, like, this whole thing is weird right now. First of all, what happened is technically we gap down, right? I'm just looking at just these candles, right? But at the same time, if you go down to the 1 hour, and at least with the ES, right? This candle right here at 1600, this happened after the market closed.
Yep.
So technically, like when the ES closed, we closed down here, right? Like if I go look at where is SPX, right? You can see, so SPX, we closed at 68.82. We had a down candle. And then when the earnings and stuff came out, we moved up, because if I look at the US 500, which is very similar to the SPX, this is that 1600 candle, and it says we closed at 69.05. We actually even pushed all the way up to as high as like 69.17. So there was, you had the Google earnings. Oh, shout out! Listen, OpenAI made another deal.
Yep.
Time with Broadcom.
Yep.
And I feel like if this AI bubble bursts, if this AI bubble is to ever burst, and I don't even think it's a bubble, but just saying, if for all the people who think it's a bubble, if this thing was the bust, it's gonna be OpenAI's fault.
Yes,
all these commitments they got to all these companies, they're gonna be the one that if this shit come down, it's gonna be because of them. All this money tied up into them. They trying to get another 100 billion round, but from Nvidia and Amazon. Like, it's a lot of circular financing going on, because Jensen Huang just said, yeah, we're gonna invest 20 billion in OpenAI. Then to the bell, they saying, oh yeah, we got a $10 billion deal with Broadcom. So basically the money they getting from
they just
going to Broadcom.
and then Amazon just did 50 billion last week with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I hope Amazon don't do the 50 billion, but
yeah, they thinking about it.
They need to bring that down, scale that down, man. They don't need to do that much. But yeah, so it's a lot going on, man. It is a lot going on with that. But my point being is, yeah, we it's weird, right? It's basically weird. That was the point that I was trying to make, is the way this is all set up is, it's a little weird. So yeah, and then we got these gaps. So I am going to respect these gaps. So I could definitely see this thing pushing up, maybe even trying to get all the way up to here. We'll see what happens before, we'll see. So it's going to be a little tricky tonight, man. I might not even get no opportunity for real. So we'll have to see. Let's see. What we got in the comments? Let's see. Rich, what's good, man? He said, I agree with Zay. I think he was talking about Amazon. Yep. Jay just said investment in Claude is big. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, shout out to Walmart. Yo, Walmart hit the 1 trillion club, bro.
Or yeah, 1 trillion.
Yeah,
Walmart.
Walmart has a 1 trillion market cap, bro. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? 1 trillion market cap on good old Wally on good old Wally World. Ain't that something? Um, and let me just go ahead. I just got to get this right here because I want to make sure I don't miss no trade. All right, bet. And then I think I saw another comment. SPX. Yeah. Jay, I got to use what I'm comfortable with, bro. And for me, the US 500 is dollar for dollar, so I'm good. Um, it does the job for me, brother. Richard said, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, because we were talking about Amazon. So, all right, caught up on the comments. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, man. We pushing. Golly. See, they did this. Yo, they did this yesterday.
Yep.
They pushed it. And then, like, for the rest of the show, we just sat there.
Bruh.
Like, come on, man. I think we about to fire along, actually. I think we're gonna fire along. Let me turn on the daily profiler. Shout out to the pack, man. Daily profiler, my boy, my guy Mickey. Huh?
Yeah, shouts out to the pack.
Oh, yep. And we did fire along. So Asia is now long. We fired long. We fired long. We fired long. We fired long. We had this little gap right here. What is this? Huh?
I might go on NQ.
I ain't gonna front right now. I'm about to this. This is a paper trade, but I'm gonna take this short because I want to test the waters because I don't I don't think we got it in this. But then again, they might if they push Google overnight, then we'll see what happens. But see, my thing is I'm looking at it from like a higher time frame.
Yeah, that's the thing. Last night though, bro. Last night we was live.
Uh-huh.
I wanted shorts because we were in the gap, bro, on the higher time.
Yeah.
And then it ran up, and then that's what we created the wick.
Yeah. Yeah. But see, and they might do the same thing where they might just so here's what they did last night, and I think we even talked about it. If you go look at the 12-hour, shout out to the 12-hour, and this is exactly what I thought they would do. So you can see last night, right? They ran it up basically all night, gave us a little wick, and then the cash session or 6 o'clock or cash session, that's when they came in and sold it down.
Yep.
So I think they might do the same thing tonight where they just push it high enough, kind of stall out all night. And then once we get to 6 o'clock switchover, that's when they might bring it back down. But then again, I don't know, man. There was some weird stuff that I saw, like, bruh, even when the market was like going down and dipping, like put premiums wasn't really like if you had a swing put, they really won't pumping like that. Now, don't get me wrong, your day trading puts hit your zero DTEs, but I got some hedges that go out to March, and I would have thought that they did a little bit better today. And then when we got that bounce, I was like, well, that's the reason why they won't doing what I thought they was gonna do, because they knew they was gonna bounce this shit. So the way the push was moving, I think we might have one more push in us. Like they might try to push the market one more time. And that's another reason why I'm thinking I'm like, Amazon. Is Amazon going to be the reason? Jay said 1 DT, the call premiums was very suspicious activity. Yeah, hey, bro, did you see exact what happened after the close though? Like that was so crazy, yo. Now you could trade they got like Robinhood platform. You can trade 0 DTEs all the way till 5 o'clock now. So it was so weird because I didn't it didn't seem like things was going up, but yet the market was going up or the SPX was going up, and then we got that boost. And I mean, like I said, it took it all the way up to 69.17, and so the call premiums like shot up. And so we're gonna, tomorrow about the this I don't know, bro. And I'm glad you confirmed that, because I thought it was me. I thought I was tripping. But yeah, man, the way them premiums was acting, I don't. And then on top of that, I was also scouting some more, like, some more hedges. And yo, puts was expensive. I mean, I ain't gonna say they was like expensive, but I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, bro, we ain't even 1%. I thought they would have been a little bit cheaper, bro.
Yep.
Like, them Jones was kind of pricey. So I'm like, yo, something. I'm like, yeah, let me be patient, dog. Cause yeah. He said dealers might be pricing in another trial for 6,800. Bro, they cannot get down there, Jay. They can't get down there, bro. Did we like every time we get below, like today, our low was 68.38. Then they bought it up. So they probing. I will say that they definitely probing. Like, if I go to a daily, let me move these moving averages real quick. The SPX is definitely probing for sure. And it's just so many gaps to be filled, and the buy the dip mentality so strong. Like, and then you got the president who don't, every time the market dip a little bit, he throwing something out there that make people be like, oh, it's time to buy.
Yep.
So he tricking these algorithms, man. He tricking the algorithms. So it's tough. It's tough. Anybody tell you this is not a tough trading environment, they lying, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, you can find some good spots, right? And there are certain things that are doing well, but like overall, this has been tough sledding since this little pullback right here. And I was looking at that too. If you go to the ES, right, this pullback that we had, what was that? October, November. If I can get my tool, right? If we start from this high we made in October to this low we made in November, this little 6% drawdown, bro, we've been in this range since then.
Yep.
Like, I'm gonna make this blue. I'm basically gonna extend this range. Look at that. We've bounced up, come down, bounce up, come down, bounce up, come down, bounce up, come down. And we really can't get above this high. Like, we get above it, but it's like we probing wick, 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 wick. Like, nothing is holding above that high. And I think some people, I don't know what they would call this, some type of triangle. I don't know all them goddamn patterns,
Yeah.
but and then they'll call it a wedge or some shit. I don't know. I like what Jay said. Stuck like Chuck. That's what I say. We just stuck, bro. We can't break out. We can't break out. We can't break down. I do know we coiling, and I think I wrote a note to myself that when we do finally choose a direction, we will go in that direction for some time.
Yes, we will.
Like, it ain't gonna be no like a quick we gonna if we break out to that upside, you be prepared for a nice hefty run to probably, I don't know, 72, 7,300. And if we break down, get ready for a nice 5, 6, 7, maybe 8%. Yeah, about 5 to 7% pullback.
Yeah.
Like if we break down from this little triangle, I 100% would think that we're going to retest this 62 or this 6,500 level right here. So yeah, for everybody that's watching, when we do finally pick a direction,
yeah,
we gonna go. So, and I'll say this too, Quadree, this is very much so giving me last year vibes, bro. Distribution, man. It's very much giving me last year vibes, where if we go look, I don't even know why. Why do I have this here? I need to get rid of that. Yeah. I do know why I have that because I have a trade there. But if we go look at last year, this is exactly what we did, right? We sold down December, and then we basically stayed in this entire range all the way till middle of February.
Yep.
To the middle of February, right? So if y'all can see that, I'll be zoom in, right? And again, if I even go further back, yeah, this candle, but I mean, I could go all the way back to November and include all of this too, if we
Yep.
want. So we basically was in this range from about November all the way to February, and then eventually we dumped. Look what we doing. This is October, or if you do the November, October, November, we in this range, and it just feels like distribution. It feels like they loading up on their puts, they selling out of, they taking profit on certain positions, and then eventually we're gonna run dry on buyers for a little while. They're gonna give you a nice little dip, and then they'll come back in and buy that shit back up. And
Yep.
damn, I said, look, my short is working too, my little paper short. We're gonna see if that hold. But so we're gonna see, man. And like last night, we talked about how usually, while February is known to be a rough month, it doesn't really get rough into the back half.
Yeah.
So, and with NFP on pause, it feel like they doing the same thing, bro. They about to let us run. They about to squeeze the puts. They gonna run this thing up till about the middle of February, and then afterwards, that's when we gonna find out some shit. Crazy. Oh, Dre just got here.
Yep.
Yeah,
Dre,
my guys.
what's good, bro? Welcome.
You're getting. What's going, everybody? Yeah, man. How y'all doing? Shit.
We good, man. We just trying to wait on a trade. I took a paper short just to do a little probing. It's working out right now, but we like pushing up a little bit. We was kind of talking about we might end up doing what we did yesterday, where kind of just drift up all night until the cash session, and then we find out what's up, because it's weird. We like got a gap down, but there's also gaps.
Yeah.
Because of what happened after hours with Google and AVGO, kind of messed stuff up. So, yep.
How'd that go? How was
Google?
Yeah.
I think it was a good report for sure. It was a good report. As far as earnings reaction, look at that. It's basically flat. It's down $1.24.
Okay.
So yeah, ain't doing too much of nothing.
That's true. Okay.
So like if you look at, like I'm looking at y'all, like the NQ on a daily, it actually opened with the gap down, and it pressed back up to where it says this candle closed. So
to head lower.
To
head lower later.
Yeah, we about to find out. So Dre, how was your day, man? Welcome to the show, brother. We talked about our day. Me and Quadree both in the green. I told him about my battle.
You
I had
made
to
it
battle
back.
Hey man, I had to battle back, bro. But how was your trade day? Let me get your screen up here. And y'all, that short is working. I'm up 175. I should have actually took that shit.
There you go.
That little gap was gonna hold. But anyway, go ahead.
Yeah.
Dre.
I actually had like a weird day because I got busy in the morning, so the trade I wanted the trade I wanted to take couldn't take.
I ain't even got your screen up. Hold up, let me put it up. All right, there you go. Go ahead. You got it.
Yeah, the trade I really wanted to take, I couldn't take because I had my inspector right here at 7:00. So that's when we really test that Tuesday range that we talked about it yesterday. Tuesday range
Mm-hmm.
low right here
Mm-hmm.
because we were sleeping here in London. So we
No, I was
came.
up. I had to get mine
Oh,
back.
oh, my bad.
That's when I started to get mine back, bro. I got that short. Fuck that. I woke up.
Okay, my boy. Yeah. Okay. Nice, nice, bro. Okay, good. So I couldn't get it here, and that would be perfect because we went London short right here, and
Mm-hmm.
we didn't made it false. So this higher day was good because it happened at 2 in the morning, 2:45. That's a
Mm-hmm.
good stat high. We know
Mm-hmm.
that. We talked about it before in the show. And New York, brother, New York, we had some news at 8:15 ADP non-farm,
Yep.
right?
Or private. Yep.
And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and that was the reason to to go short over here in New York.
Mm-hmm.
Went short.
And then 10 o'clock we got ISM services.
Yeah, 9:45, 10 o'clock. And
Mm-hmm.
then we couldn't I only got it. My short only played to 2P12 low.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got like a little scalp here real quick. But
Mm-hmm.
then Trump and the Chinese Xing, whatever his name is.
Yeah, they had that call.
Yeah, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna cut my trade because I don't know what they might say,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna wait. But it went too. I
It
could
kept
like
going.
it kept going, bro. It kept going.
It kept
So
going.
it kept going, and in the afternoon, I took two loans,
Oh
something
yeah.
on Trump.
You
Yeah, I took two loans. I got
crushed
stopped
them
out
loans
here.
too.
I got stopped out in profit here. I took this loan, and
Mm-hmm.
then right at 2 o'clock, I got loan, and all the way to this mid right here. I didn't hold it all the way through. So yeah, so my money was made in the afternoon today, and that was it.
Oh,
I just started
hey
chilling,
man.
and yeah,
That's
now I
it.
just waiting. Now I just got to the charts, so I see that we were long Asia,
Yep.
but we were getting sucked back in.
Come back
Yeah,
into the range, man. We
I'm
coming
back
back
in
coming
into
the range, huh?
So yeah, we coming back into the range. We test like I think we let me see. I think that's previous day mid. No, what's that right there? Let me take this table out because I'm gonna talk about this table in a minute. But yeah, previous day mid is right here, 148. But I don't know if we're gonna get there the way we're looking right now. It's about to be 8 o'clock in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
So
You about to get
Let's see
either
what we do.
like either push down or push up.
One
Yesterday,
of
yeah,
the two.
yesterday when they
yeah,
bought it up, that joint was crazy.
That's facts.
yeah, right.
Um,
This
go ahead, my bad. What you say?
This move right here, right, Quadree? After we left the show, it started going.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
Jay said that 945 shift in the option data was something nasty. I'm assuming it must have shifted to the downside because that move was crazy, bro. Again, I think I saw you post like a snippet of your dashboard and the numbers.
Hmm.
I saw like a 60, what was it, 68.75? I think you posted, Jay, or something like that. But yeah, man, that joint was, woo.
Nasty work.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. So yeah, man, I probably should have took this trade for real, for real. I'm kind of tight.
Hmm.
I would have took this. I would have cashed out 200. Give me that. I'm good for the night.
Yes, that's a good money.
And now it's going
Uh,
down to 225. Yeah, give me that 250 real quick.
Quadri, you took anything right now?
Nah,
Or you
Oh, we just hit
you
8
waiting?
o'clock too, fella.
Yeah,
I'm about to take this short.
nice. Um, but this yeah, man, we having a crazy week, man. We having a crazy week that we haven't had in a long time.
You know what's crazy about it though, bro? If you look at the weekly candle, we really not like that up or down yet though.
Oh,
It's just the intra-week volatility is what's crazy.
yeah.
Because if
I
we
mean,
like if I look at the weekly, and yeah, now see, I'm glad we starting to push up. Um, let me turn this off real quick. But like looking at if you look at the ES weekly, we're only down a 0.5%, and this shit is a doji so far.
right.
You look at the NQ, that's a little different though. Yeah, I look a little different on the NQ, bro. The
I mean,
NQ is down 2%. Damn.
Nvidia, man.
And it broke. What was that low? It broke. It broke a key low.
December lows. December low.
Oh yeah. It took December low. Yes, it took December low. That's
Yeah.
what it was. It took December
December
low.
and January, both lows, I think. Yeah. No?
Yeah.
Check this out.
But I mean
Yeah, both.
December. But yeah, it took January low for sure.
Yeah.
And yeah, so yeah, you're right. It took both January and December low.
Hmm.
The Dow, right? The YM is positive 1.2%. It's backfilling all these gaps, and then you got
You know what that remind me of?
the Russell is up 0.5%, huh?
You know what that remind me of? Remember 2022 when the Dow was going up?
Yes, yes. And guess what was leading? Energy. I'm telling you, bro. This is history don't rhyme. History don't repeat, but it often rhymes, dog. So
yeah,
I don't
2022 was exactly like that.
Yep.
And
Yep.
Hey, that shit pain.
So that's that. And then Father Legends is in the building. Give me 1 second. He said, okay, so Jay said they were hedged for 68.75. It shifted down to 6,800. Okay, but we didn't get down there. I mean, them 68.75s definitely hit. So that's for sure. And then he said entry was 69.42 with a 68.97 target. Okay, that's what the numbers I must have saw. That's the numbers I saw. But I don't think SPX got up to 69.42. The high was like 69.36. So it just barely missed that. And then Father Legend said Apex temporary halt on metals is wild. Bruh, even Top Step, they limit you. You can only trade micros.
Yep.
Oh, you saying pre-market? I got you. And then Dre, let's go see what you taking a look at, brother.
So going back to higher time frame stuff.
Yeah.
We went down 3.5%
on the NQ, right?
Yes. And when I see my fancy table over here to the right, when I check 3.5, we do not go there often. Last year we only it's fair, but we only went there last year 8 times.
Yeah, got it. And I'm assuming, I bet you those 8 times, I bet you that was the all liberation day.
That's it. Yeah. Yes, sir. So, and look at this, like this bounce.
Yeah.
At 2 o'clock, at 12 o'clock was right there to the T, hit it and bounce. Look at this. Oh, came down here.
That's why you took that long,
huh? Yeah.
Because I ain't gonna front, bro. You was posting going long. I was thinking to myself, yo, this nigga is tripping.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, you really buying this? But then again, I started.
You showed me percent, right?
Huh?
You showed me percent, right? So I'm running with it, man.
Yeah. I'm just saying. Once I saw it, and then you was like, I was like, okay, bet. And then I think at that point in time, the majority of the sell-off had been done, so it started curling up real nice. And then I went and did the same thing you did. I went and looked. I'm like, oh yeah, no wonder why we way down.
Yeah. So that's that.
But it's funny because. Go ahead. What you gonna say?
No, keep going.
I was just gonna say, again, like I think it was before you had hopped on. I was telling Quadree, I was like, man, if you swinging puts when we was dropping down, they really wasn't moving like that. Like,
That's what.
you would have thought with such an aggressive move like that, you would have been gaining a little bit more premium, but it really wasn't like, what I'm saying, what I thought it was gonna be. And when I see stuff like that, it's a sign to me that you may want to take your profits while it's good. And I'm glad I did, because guess what? We end up bouncing towards the end of the day. And yeah, you could just kind of tell the way the premiums moving. We weren't done, I guess, with upside or bouncing or whatever. So, but now what you was gonna say?
So that's that on the higher time from monthly stuff. Let's go to the weekly now. The weekly is right here. Let me see. Let me hide my drawings. Right. And we don't need this stuff right now. Okay, on the weekly, we started. Look at this. This is a wild week. We went.
Yeah.
We up in a gap. The gap down went up, closed that gap. When that we hit the 190 percentile on the weekly, bounces up all the way up on Tuesday.
Now that's Monday.
Monday and Tuesday night.
That was Monday, bro.
Yeah, Monday, and then Tuesday we here.
Yeah, like Tuesday night. Then Tuesday we sold off.
Yep. So we hit the 190, 80.
Ooh,
and got close to
took it long, $600.
Oh, you did what?
Took it long NQ, $600.
Oh, took it long, nice.
Yeah, we pushing, bro. Yeah. And then we got this combination right here. What?
Facts.
And then we hit all the levels to the downside.
To the downside, right. You know what this gives? You know what this gives me a signature of, bro? A doji weekly.
Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna end up having like a doji weekly, bro.
It makes sense because the NFP is not happening, so it makes sense. People are like,
"Oh yeah, we was talking about that too, Dre. We don't get no NFP Friday. How you feel about that, bro?"
I feel bad, man.
Actually,
we get it.
Go ahead. What you gonna say?
We're gonna get it Wednesday. I heard.
Yes, the 11th. We get it next Wednesday, bro. That's pretty odd.
We had anything else that day? Probably inflation. No?
Good question. Let me actually, you know what? Let me take your screen down. Let's look at that, because you're right. That's kind of weird.
Right.
They say we supposed to get jolts tomorrow. Oh, okay. That's cool. And then so next week on Tuesday we'll have retail sales. All right, retail sales maybe, and then the 11th we get NFP whatever
CPI,
and that's it. And then Thursday we get unemployment claims. And then on a Friday we get CPI.
Yeah, they switched it up,
bruh. This is where the hell is PPI at?
Monday, probably after next week.
No, it's the last.
Marcus.
It's the last Friday of February.
What the hell?
Dog, this is all over the place, bro. Oh, I'm not playing with these niggas.
NQ just went crazy.
It popped?
Yeah.
Pop.
Oh,
I was in the
Yeah, it's pop.
Oh, yeah, we just got a nice little push. Hold on, let me go to the 1 hour. Damn, I wish you would have. Well, you TP'd, but you could have held on a little bit longer. Oh yeah, look at that. We held the open push. Yeah, we going crazy.
Yeah, makes sense though. Why we push the way we are right here at the lows.
Yeah, especially on your. Hold on, I'll pull yours up, Dre. Put your screen. Oh, there you go. You got it. Maz
Yeah.
is in the building. What up, Maz? Yeah, NFP
Good,
is
my
next
guy.
Wednesday, Maz. It's good, my guy.
Yeah.
And yeah, Jay, he said they started moving positions off the 6,800 at around 12:45, and then yep, that's right when we fucking bounced too.
Hmm.
Right when we bounced.
Yeah.
Yeah, it look like they about to do exactly what they did last night. Dre, they gonna push it all night.
Yeah. That's right. Previous day mid, we're gonna hit it. Right at we are right now. Previous day mid
We already at previous day mid.
on NQ is right now.
How?
Right here. Previous day mid.
Let me see. Hold up. I gotta make the screen bigger. Damn. What
148.
the hell? Okay. Let me pull up my daily profile.
Gold starting off now.
Gold is?
Yeah.
I think some news about they about to do some fast shit. Watch. About to get a headline. Is there any news that we got tonight, Quadree?
Yeah.
Ooh, gold really on. Shit.
Damn, you right. Dre, ES already passed prior day mid, bro.
It is? Oh shit.
We well above prior day mid. Go look at ES.
Yeah.
No, ain't nothing tonight.
No?
Nope.
None tonight? Okay. Interesting.
Yes.
We well above.
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, it is. That drop earlier, that was
Yeah.
that bounce.
Uh-huh.
So he has open above right at the open. He almost touched previous limit, run it up, went down, touch it,
Wow.
Touch it,
and
boom.
then bounce. Yeah.
You talking about this push, Quadree?
No, I'm looking at gold drop, but I'm back in NQ.
Oh, gold.
Oh, damn. Yeah, 28 points on gold. Ooh.
Yeah. Yes,
Yo,
sir.
let's talk about Bitcoin for a second, yo. Drake gonna look, Drake gonna hit me with the smoky. Get that shit out of here.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Bitcoin, what is going on?
Bitcoin don't even count no more, man. What is that?
Yo, what is up with Bitcoin, dog? Why they doing Bitcoin so dirty like this, man?
Michael Berry, man.
You mean Michael Saylor?
Michael Saylor, yeah, him.
Oh, I was gonna say Michael Barrett. You
Him
mean Michael,
too.
yeah. They trying.
Both.
I do think they trying to get that dude, bro.
Yeah, Michael Berry too. He's on that Bitcoin too.
But you know what though?
he got
You know what this remind me of? This whole Michael Saylor Bitcoin thing. You know what this remind me of?
What they did to Kathy?
Remember when? Yes, you got it. You knew it, Quadree. When Kathy Wood and Art came out going crazy, and she goddamn was all over.
What?
They went and attacked that ass. Ark ain't never been the same.
Ain't never been the same, bro.
Now look at Michael's strategy, boy. Michael, don't be surprised if Michael's strategy go down to 100.
Yeah.
But what do you do at that point? Like, I don't understand what can he do?
Bankrupt.
I don't know, but he keep buying more and more Bitcoin. I don't understand how. Ain't he negative on Bitcoin now?
Yeah.
Bro, he must be.
Huh?
He must be getting loans, man. He must be getting bailouts or something.
Dog.
Yeah. Freaking. Also, this guy is down like 6.5 billions.
Yeah, he down. I don't know. He down a lot. And don't they report earnings tomorrow with Amazon?
Yeah.
Boy, that's gonna be bad because they're gonna have unrealized losses on that balance sheet. That's the only reason why they actually had a solid balance sheet because they Bitcoin holdings. So they tanking them all.
Oof. Yeah. Tomorrow is gonna be puts on that.
I ain't gonna touch it, but if it gets to the right price, I might dip my toe eventually.
Yeah, freaking what's that guy? Tom Lee's Ethereum is getting smoked.
He's getting smoked too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's down like a couple of billions too. Crazy.
Yeah, man.
I'm looking at gold is down. This joint just dropped. So
Oh my God, it went even further. 52 points in an hour. It's still going. Yeesh.
And that was perfect too. Oh man.
You was in the short?
No, I was in it, but then I clipped it and went in the queue.
Oh, okay. Golly. Yeah, Shauna said gold is melting. I bet. Yes, it is. Good. Googly moogly.
Yeah, he's getting smoke central. Oof.
How is silver doing? Not as
Mm.
bad. Yeah, I think, bro, there's got to be some type of headline because gold don't be just dropping like that without a headline, bro.
Nah, facts.
Just made it 200 on NQ.
Oh, you cooking tonight, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't
Apex $20 account, boy. I'm trying to just go crazy on it.
I feel it, bro.
You said what? $20 account?
Well, yeah, today the last day, I think, for Apex.
On who?
Oh, Apex.
I am not trading no strategy. I'm just clicking the buy button.
The big future hasn't opened. Yeah.
You said who been open?
The bigs. It's not open yet.
Oh, it's not open. What time does it open? Like 8:30?
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah. Like with China and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Gotta see that bad boy. The bigs. You trade intraday, watch the bigs. Because that thing went crazy today.
Yes, it did, boy.
Yeah, boy. This shit was pumping. So the dollar. You tracking the dollars there or you don't care?
I mean, it hit like a liquidity level. So I really ain't been watching it as of lately.
I heard people talking about the dollar, so you know the dollar's on the news.
Yeah, I mean,
100 today, no?
Go ahead. What you say?
I think it hit 100 today.
Who, the dollar?
Yeah. Let
me see. I'll go check it out. Austin is in the building. What up, Austin? He said,
guy, let's
what
go.
we doing? Quadree done caught like 2 longs. I ain't
I'm
really
long
got
bro. I'm getting here. I'm in here for that. There you go again. Come on.
98.
Here, Dre, let me show you. This is what I see on the dollar, bro. You asked me if I was tracking it. So actually, let me take this off. So I had a zone, right, where like if I zoom in, going back to what's this, 2021, 2022, you had a monthly gap here, gap here, and this was like the last down red candle on this low. Yeah. So I just basically said this entire zone, and then look at how we reacted, bro. So back here in July 25, monthly candles, bro. It's just the same. Monthly candles, we kind of peeked into it, bounced out of it, and then now this last candle, we finally, like, bro, we literally took this low. Like this low is 95.57. The low on this candle is 95.55. 2 pennies. Damn. And then that shit whoop, right up out of that zone.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't see that it hit 100.
No, not yet. 98. Yeah.
It's at 97. So if it can get through 97, then maybe we have a shot at 100. But if they reject it here, then it's gonna slide back down and retest that 95 again. So we'll have to see. But I ain't watching the dollar. I don't. It is what it is. Austin is long. Yeah, you should be, bro. This thing is cooking.
Previous day mid right here, guys.
Hey, Quadree, I should have look. I took a little paper short on gold. That joint up 151. One contract moving. Go ahead and take that off, bro. That shit be moving so crazy. Yeah, gold crazy.
Yeah, joint. Yep.
Watch that.
Yeah, something going on tonight. I'm gonna just relax, cause
China.
Yeah, I'm up $950. I'm done.
Let's go.
Nice. Good stuff, brother.
Yes, sir.
At least one of us made some money tonight. That's good. It's always good when at least one of us can do a little something for the people.
So I'll just recap it real quick.
Yeah, I got you. I put your screen up too, Quadree, so you got it. You got the sauce.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So in the
I'm
hour,
in there. Let's see.
Ooh.
Who's that? Who else? You said Max is in the building?
Maz in the building. We got Austin in the building.
you got the fair value gap up this way, buddies.
Oh, there you go. Quadree breaking it straight down though.
And I'm going by Bitcoin this year, but not now.
Yeah.
Not now.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think we get it at like 50K, 60K, maybe 50. I think we get it 50. We get 50.
50. I got you right now. I got 64.
So we had.
I think.
Let me just break this down, Dre. We had
Yeah,
the 4-hour time frame fair value gap here. You go down to the hour. It's that ICT stuff. We had a fair value gap right here. On the hour, I'm down to the hour time frame. All we need to do was find. We had to just close above it, which we did. We closed above it here at 6 with that 4:30. So now bias is already bullish. Now just gotta wait for the move to happen. During Asia session, we got the validation there around 7:30, but still wait till 8. Get the drop. CISD right there. We take that bad boy up.
Nice. Good stuff. Let's see. DB Tech said, oh shoot, all the cool people in here. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Or is that a hold on, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's Maxine. I'm sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you a fella. I couldn't really see the picture. Sorry, my sister. Let's see. We got Drez is coming into the box. BTC, bro. Check your DM. He said, check your DM. It's coming into the box. It's coming into the box. Yes, hey, Austin, sir. You might have not want to announce you was long, bro. As soon as you said you was long, I know you've been on a bad streak, bro. I literally looked at it. It don't start just going. Whoop, whoop.
Asia been his nemesis lately, bro. I don't know why.
Asia been killing him, and it be like 1 or 2 ticks too, bro. He be breaking it down. I'll be like, dog, 1 or 2 ticks. I'll be like, yo, that is. I think they watching you, bro. I think they watching you. Be careful. I think they watching you, Maji. Somebody got your phone tap, Austin.
Now, but we hit the mid. Previous day mid. And we got sacked. We're going back into the range.
Yeah. You got to say this, the S bar. He here now. You can say it. The S bar.
The S bar. Yeah.
He said he made some money, so he good.
Oh, he did? Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. He already cash flowed, so we chilling. Okay, perfect.
Good money.
Huh? So you brought that street, Austin? He brought the Wednesday street. He got a good day today.
Bro, Trader be doing that stuff, Dre, bro. I really want it. Like, I be hating that, bro.
Yeah, Trader will be funny today, bro. That was stupid. Yeah,
it was some great trades though. I'm looking at this price action.
People making too much money, man. That's what it is.
Excuse me.
Yeah, a lot of it too off of luck though, man. People just sitting in there, bro. Just pressing especially if you want silver, bro. What's to stop somebody from like taking one of the accounts and going to buy and going to sell another one?
Right.
One of them going to hit. There ain't no skill involved in that.
None.
Man. We got 5 minutes to 8:30.
Yes, sir.
Be back in the breaker on the we could go back up.
Probably I think we're gonna go false, bro. I don't trust this up move at all.
Let me chart levels where we at. Yeah, we at the MAFE top too. Asia.
Let's see, we got I'm checking Twitter to see if there's anything. So speaking of micro strategy, right?
Yep.
Oh, we got Carl in the building. What up, Carl?
My partner.
Carl said, "Oh, hold on. Let me go back. Let me read up." So Austin said he got a runner at 215. If it hit 215, we'll break Asia Street. Okay. Carl said I caught 135 to 149 on MNQ. Let's get it.
Let's go, baby.
Dress, come on. I need all TP vibes. Let's get it. He said, "Who? This is a new person. Sports fan 97. Where did you get that strategy from, Quadree?
Who's that?
Huh?
What strategy? What I just broke down?
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah.
Higher time frame. I mean, honestly, watching throughout the years, watching ICT and others. I like to trade the fractal, what you see here.
Are you new? You know ICT? I don't know. Can
Yeah.
you type in it? Yeah, you got. I don't know. You know ICT?
Boom.
Sport fan.
In here, we put the 6 o'clock lows, created a CISD, changed the state right here. Okay, enter here, and then we formed another one right here again. So this is the second confirmation I got to go along to get the body.
Yep. Yeah. Those candles to your right are 1 hour candles?
Yes, sir.
Bet. See.
Yeah, I think we are about to just chop around right here.
Quadree be like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Keeping the sauce in the fridge.
Well, I mean, yeah, actually, with strategy, I mean, I create several strategies now.
Yo, Carby funny, yo, Carby crazy.
You know, because we could trade the pack style too, bro. That's another strategy. Like, was whatever strategy they want.
Yeah,
I gotta get rid of that.
I was short, bro. So I could break it down on that trade too. Gold was the one I wanted though. So literally right here on gold, 4 hour fair value gap. 4 hour fair value gap. We went in perfectly at 7 o'clock. How I know 7 o'clock? Because I was looking at it. We'll look at 7 o'clock. I mean, toward the end of 7 o'clock, we just started forming, changing state right here. That was right there.
I did need that there.
That was the short perfectly in the fair value gap. I'm so tight, I missed that.
There's always another trade, bro. There's always another trade. Ain't that what they tell us?
Yeah.
We be greedy when you make money. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, I was on YouTube last night. I don't know who the kid I was watching, bro. He lost like 20 bands, bro. And he was just crashing out. And he just kept trading too. I'm like, dang.
Like he was on full tilt.
Whoever I was watching, he already had mad followers, but he was going crazy, bro. Every time he hit buy, that junk sold down. He hit sell, that junk went up.
Yo, that'd be that BS right there, man. Yeah, BS. Let me see. My boy King Russ says, "Hey, what you was saying about MSTR? I was saying it's gonna go to 100."
Yeah,
that's what I was saying. That ain't rough, bro. It's looking bad. Oh no, the tweet. I know what you're saying. You right. Hold on, give me a second.
Mm-hmm.
So I was on Twitter. I was reading a tweet. So dude just said MicroStrategy is at the lowest level since September 24, as the company's Bitcoin position is near a $3 billion loss. MSTR is down 78% since November 2024 record high. Jesus,
nasty.
Tell me that ain't art reincarnated.
Yo, who knew that short? Who knew that high in October on Bitcoin was it though? For that,
I got you.
I mean, Roger, I ain't think it was.
I know who.
Your boys.
I thought we
Your
would get
boys.
back up to the high.
I know who Quadree. You know who knew that shit.
Yeah.
He definitely knew that shit, bro. He was on it, my nigga.
Gotta get
What's that year,
confirmation.
mate? That yellow. That's the 50.
Nah, the red to 50.
The red. Look. 2 week close below there. Bear mark. That's what you need. That's it.
Yeah. Let's see. He said MSCR about to get margin call. Yes, he is. Michael Seller gonna be crashing out. We gonna be watching.
Only two things gonna happen, bro. We gonna figure out.
Just like they got that movie, The Big Short, and all that. We are gonna have a Michael Saylor movie.
Yeah.
Or what if homie just be capping the whole time? He was selling the whole time with everybody else.
Yeah.
You find out that.
Man, all I know is they trying to get him up out of here, bro.
8:30 hit the clock.
8:30, we good? Where we at? Let's see what we got. What's
your target,
bro?
Austin, what's your target? Two. What he said? 255. What he said? Let me see.
It drove down 5 billion in a week. 6
Yo. Who down 5 billion in a week?
This is Bitcoin. I'm ready to say, hold on.
Yeah, I'm saying I don't think
215.
Okay.
Damn, 215. Oh, you going for the kill?
Somebody going for 215?
Austin, last target, his last runner is at 215. He got runners. Yeah.
Yo, he's funny.
Yeah, my boy funny. Oh, the bigs. We open?
Shoot, I mean,
yeah. Else, say the bigs open up 8:30 with China. Yep. Figure out.
How's it looking?
It's down right now. 1.26%. Damn.
Got it.
Yeah, we are. Oh shit. This might be your entry short on gold, Quadree. You still want it?
I'm good, man. I made some money, man.
All right.
Yeah, Quadree was cooking.
I get in this bad boy and he just go all the way up. That's how my luck be.
So you want it? Okay.
I see.
ES right at that monthly mid 50 right now. Yeah, I don't know that. It's kind of suspect.
Telling you, Dre, they gonna do what they did last night to us, bro.
Yeah, London gonna give you that short.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. I think, or at least we're gonna have to at least wait till 10 o'clock. Like this to me, I'm looking at the 4 hour. I think they'll hold this till 10 o'clock and then yeah. He said this trade is rated M for mature facts. Then you can't trade the AC trades. Gotcha.
Oh boy.
Let me go look at some of the other. What the metals doing? What the metals doing, bro? The Dow is pushing pretty decently.
Yeah. Or CL down 1%.
Yeah, good thing, the Dow. I mean, not the Dow. Gold bounced back, Quadree.
Yeah.
You know what didn't bounce back? Bitcoin.
Who?
Not bouncing.
I knew you was. I had a feeling you was gonna say that. I literally had a feeling you was gonna say that. I just went and looked at Bitcoin's chart, bro. That joint at 72, son.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
At this point, it's definitely looking like it's finna go hit my goddamn 200-day weekly moving average, which will put it at 68K. Woo!
Yeah. Oh
I ain't
boy
gonna
was
pray.
saying that.
When they get to 68K, I'm buying a little bit.
Yeah.
All right,
I want to buy. I got you. I'm buying. What's the? Yeah, 68K.
I'm buying
That's what I
some of that.
want. Look, alert right here. No financial advice. None of
Right.
that. Listen, I'll put it right here for yeah. Buying Bitcoin. Put it right here. Where is the thing? Uh, Condition.
And they said Tom. Speaking of somebody comment, they said Tom Lee bought $97 million worth of Ethereum.
Yeah, they going crazy, bro. Yeah.
Look right here, guys. DCA. Um, Here. Save.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Chukroom. So
Here,
I
I'll
got
show
my
you.
alert.
Yeah, sure.
DCA. Yeah.
So this my 200. So this my weekly, Carl. Let me change my background real quick. I hate this. It's hard to see white on the screen, but so my red, this red line, this is my 200-day 200 weekly EMA, exponential moving average. So if I hover over it, it's telling me that 68,335. So yeah,
Yeah.
right there.
Bye.
And then if I go up a time frame to like the monthly, it's pretty close to confluence with the monthly 50-day moving average, which is at like 65,000. So I'm gonna buy a little bit at 68. I'm gonna buy a little bit at 65.
Yep.
Now I did
Those
see
are
an
both.
article, and this how I think we might be getting close to the lows on Bitcoin because now they starting to throw shit out there. It was an article I read today. They was like, yeah, Bitcoin can go to 38,000. I was like, oh god, there we go. Let me goddamn. I need to start getting my money ready because
Yeah.
doom and gloomers are about to start coming out. I need to
Yep.
start buying a little bit here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Bitcoin going 10K. You already know you're buying that shit. Right, right there.
Bruh. And listen, I'm gonna say this, man. Shout out again. Shout out to the pack because one thing that I did pick up from or that I really, I picked up and just honed in on from that is, bruh, like you just gotta stick to your now. Like, who cares what these people be saying? These niggas just be writing articles to sell news or whatever. Who do they even really know technical analysis? Like the guy who talking about he can go to 38. What you looking at, bruh? You know what I mean? Like, what are you looking at? Like, let me see your chart. What EMA you using, dog? Like, where and I think that'd be the thing. When they be publishing these articles, I would love for them to give some context into how did you get that price, right? Well, it could be whether it's for stocks, it could be whether it's for Bitcoin. I feel like some of these dudes just be talking out their side of their neck, putting prices out there, and don't be like, what's the context? What are you using? What makes you? I mean, give us a little bit. Don't be like, oh yeah, Bitcoin go 38K. Why? Why do you think that?
Right. Make no sense.
A lot of people using that BS historical thing.
What? Well, why that thing broke every historical pattern you could think of. That thing.
$1,000. Was it 1,000 days up? 360 days down.
Well, yeah, that's.
Ma
Well,
said until BTC hits 250K, don't talk about it. I agree. Like, just keep buying it.
Yeah.
Buy it smartly, but just
no
keep
financial
buying.
advice. It's right there in the stream. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice.
You see it. It's scrolling at the bottom.
Yeah. But going back to you, Quadree, that 1,000 days, 100, whatever, it happened. October was that top. Now we get 35, 60, 30, 60 days bear market. That put us in early October. And by the summer you should see a little pop now. Then the summer is gonna make either a lower high or lower low, and then it's gonna shoot back up. It happens every time. Yeah.
Somebody said I missed a comment. Oh, Louis, there you go. What up, Louis? He said oil on a little run. Yes, it is. We love oil right now.
We do.
We love oil.
Me and
Wanted to come
oil.
back. I didn't miss your comment. I saw that, brother.
Me and oil like this, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dre think oil going to 100.
Yes, I do.
Dre, you
Come
do
on,
that.
share us. Why you think it's going to 100, Dre? Let me pull your screen up. Pull your screen up, Dre.
Oh, let's do some
I
t-shirt.
hope you're right, Dre. Let me allow money from me.
Woo-wee. Bro, if Dre is right, I'm going. I need to go get back in all my old plays.
Yeah. So this base right here, we haven't cracked the low of April. We came down, hold that 57 level, right?
Mhm.
And if we clear 66, then all of this is clear. 85, 90, 100, 109, 110, you want to say,
Mm.
right? So
Mhm.
if I go on the monthly, I don't know about you, but this monthly looking sexy. If I go
Mhm.
weekly, this weekly is turning up. We got 1, 2, 3 pushing up. So somebody liked this 57 or liked it
And
with
they
a
hold it.
high, low, push up. So they holding it here.
Mm-hmm.
Now you add these inflationist talk now. They talking about it's popping up again.
Mm-hmm.
Inflation is back in town.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you can see in the government with the rates, they want rates down, this and that, whatever, but they can do so much. You see conflict with Iran. What we want to go to war with them. You see Venezuela situation. You see all this oil company popping oil. So a lot of a lot of sounds and
Mm-hmm.
prices gonna react to it. And that's bullish for oil. So yeah,
Yep.
as long as it clears 66, it, once we get a weekly daily close above 66, it's it can get well. We know 65.70 is our price from a long
Mm-hmm.
time, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if I see a close above 66, we get we get head up and 100. It's not saying tomorrow, but in the next 12 months, we can see oil here. Yep, that's it. That's why I see it.
I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.
And if you follow OIH, that shit booming.
Yes, it is.
CVS is booming. You got some earnings oil companies tomorrow might go crazy. Uh Venice, yeah. A lot of oil news in the headlines.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's positivity for oil markets.
I don't know if Austin might have dipped off, but BG and COP, boy, them dividend plays. Not only are they looking good, but they moving, bruh. You get the good dividend, and they you about to get some price appreciation, brother.
Yeah. So what we say Zay all the time?
Which one?
Price that news. What how it
Oh
goes?
yeah, price first and everything else.
Yeah. So price is selling on there. When you get everything else, this shit gonna
Exactly. Like we don't. The thing is, if you look at price gonna tell you what it's gonna do. It's just a matter of
time.
news is going to help the narrative or hurt the narrative. By any means necessary. But I think what I'm seeing is that if price is showing you is bullish, then you can I guess you can say you can assume, but you can assume that as things come out, they're gonna likely help put if you seeing price want to go up, well, when we about to get some news or something like that, just know it might likely help drive it up to that area where you think it's headed. You know what I'm saying? And
Mm-hmm.
vice versa, right? Like if you read like, so that's one thing, you know, with the pack, we got some tools and shit. Matter of fact, how about this? I'm gonna show y'all something.
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. Let me go. Cause I know Jay, he mentioned like 12:45. They started to roll off like they started to roll off exposure, the puts and stuff. But I just want to talk about how sometimes the news it seems like it's a coincidence, right?
Right.
But
Mm-hmm.
if you like right here, and let me pull up this and let me put this on too.
Mm.
So when we were, matter of fact, yeah, when we was right here sitting at like 2 o'clock, I think this is when uh Trump came out and was like he had to call with G, or maybe it was we were put it this way. I would My point is we were sitting somewhere at one of the like this little key spot, and then the news just came out and whoop, you know what I mean? Like it, and it always happens like that. Like I could go
Yeah.
back on a Friday, I could find a Friday, and I would never forget that Friday because that's when your boy, what was the Fed chair Waller? It was one of Christopher, I think it was Waller who came out and had people calm down. And I'll never forget, we were sitting right on like we were sitting like right on like a MFE line, and then next thing you know, we that shit literally ran straight. Like yo, I was like yo, these guys be
They
timing this
know,
stuff,
but
and he like said it right at 8 o'clock. It
Yeah,
was
perfect
like
time.
perfect switch over, sitting at the perfect spot, and then coincidentally, the news you needed for it to make the move that you saw that could potentially happen, you got the news you needed to make it happen. Yo, that shit be
yeah.
yeah,
That's why I got out my short this morning because when Trump and Xi Jinping started talking, I'm like, no, 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 no.
yeah,
Ain't no way I'm gonna be in this trade because I know we're going down, but they can say some shit and just not.
right. They liable to, yep, they
Yeah,
liable to pump that joint up.
Me and Car be funny because me and Car be knowing like we be telling yo, Trump be trading. Don't
He
yo
definitely,
that
or I'm gonna say it like this: it might not be Trump that's trading. I think it's Barron, his son.
okay, bet somebody's trading because
Oh,
yo
100%.
the way they talk the market is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm like, how he Carby saying yo, he's the only president I know that be talking the market like this. Ain't nobody
Yeah.
else did that in the past.
But you know what else though too, Dre, is when before Trump got in office and we did our
Mhm.
matter of fact, I published it. But there's a expectation what to expect with Trump's presidency. We did. We said one of the main metrics he's going to measure his presidency by is how well the stock market does.
Yep.
Like
Mm-hmm.
that's what he wants. So, you know,
Facts.
Jay said it's never a coincidence. I 100% agree. I don't be thinking that shit like it's definitely not a coincidence. They know what they doing.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? They know exactly what they be
Yeah.
doing, bro.
Hell yeah.
Perfect timing. They got all this shit this shit is all works together.
Yep.
Louis said, I work in the Permian Basin and everybody just got raised as everybody. So that's like a good thing, right? For oil, y'all about to be pumping that oil, drilling that oil.
Ah, she do it. That's inside information. That's good. I took a little short on Q boy.
Yeah, I'm in the gold short. I said, why not?
Well, your boy's getting busy. Well, we got 10
Yeah, I got
minutes to
short.
go then.
Yeah, I got short T 148. So you got your screen up.
Oh, I'll do yours, right? There you go. You got it.
So this is my setup right here. It's swing high. Came in, test that previous day mid. We
Mm.
tried to get above it. Right, got
Mhm.
back inside. We try here, couldn't get it. So now I have three candles reversal swing. Got short here, so 15 points. Right there. I got 20 out of that. But my target's always 15 points at this time. So I got it right away. And that's what I call cash flow. So I don't have to sweat it or be in the chart for a long time to get my cash flow trade.
Mhm.
And I can go to sleep happy. Yeah, I got it. That's it.
Yeah, that's why I
Simple.
ain't want to go too crazy tonight, because I can't wait. I can't wake up tonight for London. I gotta get some sleep. I'm tired, bro.
Yeah, man. For sure.
Tired,
You need that
bro.
sleep, boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get at least 7 hours tonight, dog.
He say, yeah, it's bullish for them, say. So that's that inside information right there, boy. I like oil even more now. Look
Let's
at this
go.
chart, bro. Look at this chart.
Drill,
This chart
baby, drill.
Yo, this chart, I'm sick because Say told me not to miss this move. We've been talking about this move for last year.
Yeah.
OIH coming.
That's why I needed you to zoom out, Dre, because the monthly was telling you what it was, and I know you was like, man, you saw that gap, but I'm like, bro, look at this monthly candle, dog. If this shit don't goddamn get back below 300, it's not gonna close that gap. That shit is ready to go, bro.
Yes, it was.
It gave you 3 days. 3 days. It kept just playing around with that 310. I was like, boy, you better get in.
Yeah. You
So,
can see.
hey,
go ahead.
Go ahead, Dre. I'll tell Quadree after. Go ahead.
Like we became April, March 25 right here. We held that 214 level. And we just started like up and down, making higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. And once it get change of year character, boom, took off.
Yep. And
we say around November, October, like OIH might be the place next year. And it's going.
So, hey, Quadree, so the day I told Dre to get in, I added a contract. The 310. It hit 100% today.
Sick, bro.
It went from, I think, what did I send it, Dre? It was like 41 a contract. I think it's like 82 now.
Dang. Yeah.
When is the expiration?
January 27.
Yeah.
Nice.
You know we got time.
Like, that shit gonna print, bro.
I'm sick.
Matter of fact, let me go see. I'm gonna go look. It's I'll give you the whole details. It's a yeah, it was a January 27 310 call, because we kept saying if it gets over 310, it's gonna go. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a 2027 310, because it's like we know it's gonna get over 310, so it'll be in the money. I added it on January 7th. So if you go look at OIH, go to the daily candle on January 7th.
Let me see.
Dang.
Right there. That was the day. That was the day. That was the last
and me,
down candle.
I'm waiting a little more.
Yeah, that's what you said. I'm waiting a little bit more. I was like, all right. I'm like, bro, look at that. I'm like, yo, this is perfect, bro.
Yeah. Bro.
And then after that down day, look what happened.
Not coming back, boy.
It ain't coming back. So that contract, I added it on that day.
Mm-hmm.
On that day. And since then, I added, like I said, I added the January 27, a 310. It was $41. That shit is 81.50.
Dang. Yay. Double money.
Whew.
That's what I get for
you still got and think about it, you still would have had 11 months, bro. I'm telling you, OIH is going to 450, 475, dog.
Don't show me that contract when it gets there, bro.
I'm gonna send it to you. Just like Cat last year. I'm like, it's the one you let get away.
Cat did 3,000%, bro. 3,000. My nigga. Sick, bro.
So one more.
Well, for me waiting, that shit left my ass, bro.
She said, "Oh, you don't want me, Dre? Okay, well, I gotta go."
Yeah.
Oh, we got Donnie in the building. What up, Donnie? He said, "I'm gonna have to get back in them oil plays." Yes, sir, bro. Energy, man. We was preaching energy so hard. Energy. And yeah, I'm just saying, yes, energy is this is the year for energy, bro.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
This is the year for energy. That's all I can say. Find your way into a energy play.
Yeah.
Cause they gonna be popping. All right, fellas, we got 4 minutes, and then we're gonna wrap this up. Yeah, man, it's about to be these next 2 days. About to be very interesting. We got Amazon tomorrow, no NFP Friday.
Yep.
We're gonna see.
Amazon earnings after the close, right?
You said who?
Yeah. Amazon after the close.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We need some positive, man. This earning be slack. We need something. How Microsoft doing, bro? Let me see. God dang. Oh, Microsoft. This shit dying.
Yeah.
Every day. Oh my God. Oh, it was green today. Netflix. 457. Why? How? Nah, that shit not at 457. Ain't no way.
Nah, bro.
Nah, that's fake. That's fake. That's fake. AMD
got cooked, boy.
Damn.
Microsoft is down to 409 after hours.
Ooh, they coming for that gap, bro.
Microsoft is what?
It's down to 409.
Oof. Tesla.
Oh, you know what I'm about to do? Ooh.
Oh my God, 400.
Ooh.
He went crazy. What the fuck?
I always miss DE.
DE, bro, DE be funny. But where's my boo? This is my boo. This is my play, guys. This is my play. Where's my boo at? Let me see. My first swing in 9 months. Well, my second swing.
Yeah. Where is it at?
Yeah. For 500.
Bird B.
503.
Bird B.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, that was a
You
good
see
one
Saint?
right there.
Yeah. Saint, you see, like, this remind me of, if you see this, look at this chart, guys. Right? This chart right there. Now let's look at this chart. Doesn't look the same? This is CL. It's pumping up. So
dang, I'm eating on gold. God damn, I'm up another 600.
You up what? You went long or short?
Short.
He went short. Yeah. He didn't say it, he didn't tell me. But yeah. You short, Max?
Shout out to you, Dre boy. Dre was like, yeah, see, Dre know how to trade, bro. It was right. I had to take that.
Yeah, he was clean. Look at this shit, bro. That pump was to get short. Get short, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. So previous day made was the play to get short.
That's my trade for Twitter. That's my trade for Twitter today. Right.
You record it?
Nah, I gotta take the screenshot. I gotta get the I figure out how to do it.
OBS. You know OBS, the program? I don't know how to use it, but I know people talk about that.
Right. I figure that stuff out quickly, bro. OBS is called.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, fellas.
Yep. 9 o'clock.
Yeah, man. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock, fellas. Man, we about to get up out of here. Good night. Quadree was on fire tonight. Boy.
Yeah, I'll tell you more. Crazy. Right now I'm up 1700.
You up how much?
17.
Let's go. Great night for you, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Dre, did you get anything? I don't think you've been. We was able to get.
Yeah, I got short. I got this
Oh
short.
yeah, that's right. You did.
Yeah.
That's right. And then for me, man, I had like a little trade before we got on the show, and then that was it. I ain't really do too much, so I'm positive for the night too. But yeah, chilling, man. So good night, man, and we will catch y'all next week. We'll recap Amazon earnings, how this week ends, and we'll get you ready for another week. And just get ready, man. February about to be one of them months, yo.
Yes, it
February
is.
looking like it's about to be one of them months. So, we're gonna try our best to keep you guys informed and on the right side, give you our best analysis. But the theme of this year is discipline, patience, discipline and patience, discipline and patience.
Yes.
Yep.
100%.
Let the trade come to you.
Yes.
You can swing.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
go.
Yes. So, man, with that being said, man, we'll catch y'all next week, Tuesday, 7:30 on Tuesdays. And y'all have a good evening, man. We out, fellas.
Deuce.
Boom.